Breakfast time.
Our flight out of LA wasn't too early, so we got to enjoy the morning, eat some breakfast, and soak in a little bit of sun.
From the night before. Our gate has not been announced. Wait, our gate's been announced. The counter has not been. This is the first flight they're taking out of LA. We don't know where to go.
Where to get tickets?
So it turns out the counter was actually a few terminals away in LAX. So we took a nice little jaunt, and then we got to ride in one of these cool bus shuttles to our gate. We were looking for food, and I found this little vending machine that actually dispenses salad and vegan bowls, which is kind of cool. Monica was looking for delivery, and we couldn't really find anything that worked. Since this was Norse's first flight out of LA, they were having a little celebration. We didn't expect this at all, but it was kind of cool to witness and be part of.
Good afternoon and hello to our friends from Oslo and to everyone traveling today on the newest non-stop international flight from LAX to the Norwegian capital.
Open it up. Just for me, okay? There you go. 1, 2. Sorry. 1, 2, 3.
Monica had read online that if you give the flight attendants chocolate, they'll be really nice to you, and we proved in this flight that it works. They were very nice to us throughout the entire flight. The food on the plane was actually pretty good. It was like some sauteed veggies and some tomato sauce. I can't sleep on flights, but I decided to film myself pretending to.
Good morning and hello everyone. Welcome to Oslo Airport. The time here is 8:50.
We took a direct train into Oslo Center. It's actually really easy and had some nice views as well. One of the first things I noticed walking into Oslo was just how clean everything is. They clearly take care of their streets and public spaces. First morning in Oslo. We made it. We met up with Monica's friend who she hadn't seen in 13 years. They live in Munich, Germany, and actually took a trip up to Oslo to meet up with us. We had seen this park a number of times in different YouTube videos, and it was kind of surreal just to be there and see it with our own eyes. Apparently this little coffee shop has excellent vegan options but we didn't stop in. Our friends had told us about it. Our week in Oslo was probably the warmest week they've had all year. And so it kind of skewed our perspective of how nice it is because we were in love.
On the gate there it says 1779, but maybe the gate's that old. The castle itself is certainly old.
We walked around yesterday probably more than we should have after not sleeping for like 24 hours. But yeah, we're here. Here is your microphone. Beautiful Norwegian morning. Oslo, first impressions.
Oslo first impressions? Very similar to Portland.
It does have Portland vibes.
It does. It's very naturey. It feels, you know, the weather's really similar, like in the summer, where it's like you wake up and it's more chilly. And then it's cloudy this morning.
So we looked up a random bakery and it looked like it had lots of vegan options. So this morning we wandered over there. The walk was very pretty. You can hear birds in the background. It's nice. Apparently we woke up before the city did because there were no cars or people anywhere.
Very cool. Going to the saunas today.
Gonna jump
It's
in
gonna
the
be fun.
freezing cold water afterward.
I think
So excited.
I didn't confirm if it's near the water or not.
Okay, what do you mean?
It's at Salt, and I know that's like next to the water, but I don't know if the saunas themselves are.
Like you can't walk out and jump in?
No, the floating saunas were all
Booked.
booked up. But I mean, that is their thing with saunas, is like cold water after.
So maybe you like dump water on you or something?
Yeah, it might be one of those. We'll find out.
Bakstube is a bakery that's really common in Norway. It's a chain, and a lot of their stuff is vegan. A lot of it. Unfortunately, I think the donuts aren't, but a lot of the bread is. There was one thing that we got that I don't know if it was really vegan, because it made my stomach kind of hurt after I ate it, and that doesn't happen all that often, so Might have had some milk in it, I'm not really sure. But it was really yummy. Just make sure that you just get bread that doesn't really have like fillings in it. Later in the day, we went to the sauna. We went to a place called Salt, and let me tell you, it was huge and it was really confusing. So just be aware that if you go there,
This is the actual sauna.
it'll be weird. But it was amazing.
But
We really enjoyed it.
Just said it's very hot in here.
It was so hot in that sauna.
We did it! Okay,
So where's
so the sauna's in there.
where's the change?
Really hot. The change room.
So we changed, and then we got into this little wooden barrel that has a bunch of cold water in it.
Oh, okay. You can also jump in the water.
And luckily there was access to the ocean from our sauna, so you can jump in
cold?
after you get hot.
How bad?
It's so bad you can barely breathe. Yeah, it's cold. It's good.
Is that better?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
My head is spinning.
Oh, you're so cold.
It actually feels amazing. For me, at least.
Okay.
Oh,
I was really warm from the
I'm
walk.
so hot. And Serbia was like,
Oh, your ovaries.
this is really cold, but actually feels amazing right now.
2, 1.
Okay, those 2 seconds that I was in there felt like a long time, okay?
I can't really go, like, just. Poor the guys. Back and forth. We're just gonna want to stay in there.
Oh my god!
It was so hot. I felt like I was in the burning pits of hell.
Okay, if we just leave the door.
No, come on like this. Yes.
I know.
And
I
John's
know.
laughing at me for being dramatic.
The bucket.
How are you feeling, babe?
Good.
That's a new hairstyle.
It feels good after like sitting in the water. for a
Yeah,
while.
we did that for. We
I
sat in
don't
there
think
for a
I
minute.
sat in it long enough the
It's
first
very
time.
good to sit in.
I could not like.
I'm not like really panicking in there.
After sitting in there, we decided to get in the water.
Well, I guess we could migrate to the beach.
Best decision ever. It was one of the highlights of the trip, was getting in the ocean.
All right.
No, don't jump.
No, don't jump.
You gonna jump?
I'm gonna jump. Yeah, yeah. Whoa.
I love how salty it is.
It was a really wonderful day.
It's pretty amazing here.
That's one of the biggest things I want in whatever city we live in. There has to be trees.